Back to the other end when we fell down. We could not believe we would lose it all. Now the dreams are gone and faith has drowned. Everything we lost and we never found. Everything would fall.
I don't mind going single kayak.
I want to single kayak too. Is there any single? Two people. No single?
Alright. Right now I'm on kayak with Mr. Park from Korea. Hello. It's beautiful, man. What's up, Robbie?
What's up? Shout out to Singapore.
All our dreams are gone and now we've drowned. Everything is lost, never to be found.
I feel so bad. He's been rowing for like quite a while and I just keep taking videos and videos. What's up, guys? Nice shots.
On a mission to find Park.
I'm missing the bike. What?
Park. Mr. Park. Where's my partner?
Mr. Park, where you at? Mr. Park, where you at? Mr. Park!
Where the Park?
Kenneth, can you turn the boat? It's very. Kenneth, can you turn the boat? Kenneth, can you turn the boat, bro?
We need to find Mr. Park, man.
He parked off.
Mr. Park, where are you?
Get the Park off.
Mr. Park! Mr. Park! Where are you, Mr. Park? Why you left me? He's fucked up, man.
Oh my god, guys, check this out. Mr. Park just jumped down from the boat and he's not here anymore, and I think he's swimming to the boat. Oh my god, can you see? I don't think you can see him, but he's right about over there. And I think I might be going back to the same place. Go back and ride solo, man. Woo! How was the swim, Mr. Park? Come on, let's go. Oops, damn. One hour of kayaking. Not for me, man. But Mr. Park, 60-year-old, he's still swimming. Look at him. He's still swimming, he's still going ahead. Oh man.
See the shell? They were small size, make small birds. Four main colors: white, pink, yellow, and red. We get things from when they enough heat to form.
Oh, she's pulling one out.
And from here you can see we can eat some other. It's a snorkel back, strong back. And we can eat water, we eat phytoplankton. Outside we have a lot of.
Oh, the black pearl. The black pearl. Oh.
We saw one in the bay there lying.
You can see we look after the aquia for order. Here's the aquia after main step about 1 month ago. Now we lift out checking them. We put membrane first. The membrane or membrane. Stick together with 1 liter. Now I'm talking with you why we need to kick in. With on-board, they need 1 core and mount the firm cover around with a bigger and bigger. The bone here put inside to starting and here.
Like pork or nice beef or sheep. That egg. Also, literally like a rotting.
Yeah. But there's one weird thing in the language, a difference to the UK and the US, is that in the US, it's small.
You can go further back.
In the UK, prawns are small, shrimps are big. We reverse it round.
这样，卷快一点哦。等下等下还没。
We're
等
not
下不要用运动器材，不要我不是什么，这样。
啊，太多脏了吧？
Two, three more.
Yeah.
So we would call it.
Yeah.
I want to try. Never tried it before. I need a chili sauce. Yeah, the sambal fish. Or is that tomato? Sambal, tomato. Yeah, it's tomato.
So the fish talking to you?
Maybe I can hear your phone.
Yeah.
So yeah, what happened to your phone? Come on.
He stole it. Don't go to Vietnam.
No go to Vietnam.
Like review of the.
Oh, Mr. Park.